To be completely honest with you, CulinarySuite was our saving grace. Just telling you, man, these guys are rock stars. Ian Ramirez, I'm the director of culinary innovation and operations for Creative Dining Services.
And so, how were your chefs actually writing and creating their new recipes and menus? And how was that actually being communicated? What did that process look like?
We started out with an Excel spreadsheet that was turned into a template for a recipe. To be completely honest with you, CulinarySuite was our saving grace because it actually kept a lot of people working. We did our due diligence. We compared everything against CulinarySuite too. So it was one of these things because we already knew CulinarySuite was there. We've seen it. We're like, wow, that's a beautiful system. It's like the Cadillac. Like, we really love it. We spent, I would say, well over a year vetting out competitors, different solutions, everything like that. So it was not a hasty decision. It was like pretty calculated, well thought out, strategic. We said, okay, this is where we need to go. I really think working with Abhi and the team has been one of the most pleasant things, and they're completely willing to work with some of our other partners. These guys are rock stars. They've been great to work with, and anytime there's an issue or a problem, we get it solved right away. The mobile ordering platform that they just launched, I think it's sweet. I mean, I think it looks slick, it's easy to use, and we're going to be launching that very soon at a couple of our accounts. So we're excited to use it. And I keep getting great feedback from all of our accounts on how great it is to finally have a system like this, and so many of our chefs, especially the seasoned ones that have been here for years with us, they've said, we've needed this so badly for so many years. So everybody's just really excited to have it.